Ready to snag those concert tickets before they vanish faster than a guitar solo? Let's dive into how to use Apple Pay on Ticketmaster for a seamless and secure checkout. First, open the Ticketmaster app or head to their website and search for the event you're dying to attend. Find the date and time you would like to attend and click on it. Once you've landed on the event page, choose the number of tickets you need and your preferred seating section. If applicable, click on the Get Tickets button. Select your seats manually from the seating chart, or let Ticketmaster pick the best available for you. Click on the Next button once you have selected your seats. Now, you're at the checkout page. Look for the Apple Pay option among the payment methods. It's usually displayed with the Apple Pay logo. Tap the Apple Pay button. Your iPhone or iPad will prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After successful authentication, review your order one last time to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap the Pay button. Voila! Your tickets are secured. You will be directed to a confirmation page and will also receive an email from Ticketmaster with your order details. Now, get ready to rock!